from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Spice Breeze. I have not unboxed one of these or reviewed it in a while. I have a ton of them I'm needing to get caught up on. If you're not familiar with this, this is a monthly culinary subscription. They send you all the spices you need to complete anywhere from 2 to 3 dishes per month. This is their largest subscription. It's $12.90, but they do have one that's only $8.90. You get to pick your menu each month. They send you like a list of the different recipes available, and then you pick from them, and then they'll send you the recipe along with any spices you need to complete the recipe. So this includes enough for 3. There is one for 2 recipes, but then there's also one for the 2 recipes, but for a larger family. So it's double the spice. If that makes sense to you. All right, so we're gonna get in here, and then if you're interested in seeing any of them kind of come to life, I do create one dish in my review on my blog each month. So I will link down below to Spice Breeze with a coupon and my affiliate link, and I'll also link to my full review on my blog where we will go in depth. All right, everything comes in a cool little packet like this. This is, look at that, how beautiful, I love it. All right, you open it up and it looks like this. Very cool, very colorful. You lift your recipes off and everything is taped here to make it very simple. All right, so we'll look at the recipes and then we'll look at the spice packets that go along with it. So it looks like this month, every month they feature a different location, the art of sumo. So we're going to Japan. They tell you a little bit about it. I'm not gonna get into all that here. So I'm gonna guess one of these dishes will be Japanese, which I was right. Sukuni is a Japanese culinary spice kit. Sukuni are meatballs coated with salty sweet sauce. It's one of the common grilled items served at Japanese yakitori restaurants. This dish is perfect for your next barbecue, cookout, or dinner. The meatballs are soft, bouncy, and smooth in texture. Create your minced meat with your desired protein. Optionally stuff it with vegetables. Finish with a Japanese staple like shishimi togarashi spice blend. All right, and in our packet, we have shishimi togarashi, which is toasted sesame seeds, hemp seeds, seaweeds, orange peel, tangerine peel, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorn. Sichuan is that one that makes your tongue like kind of numb. It's actually really interesting. All right, so our next dish is Cratejoy, which is an Austrian dish. Who doesn't love chicken nuggets? Discover this Austrian take on the all-time favorite with thin chicken slices. The breading includes mustard, a variety of herbs, including tarragon and lemon verbena. Yeah. Finish with a hint of lemon and nutmeg. Serve the Cratejoy with a tartar-like dipping sauce and give potato rutabaga salad a try with our online recipe. So that actually looks like it's not hard to make. Oh, I probably will make this. And the kit includes, the spice packet includes onions, rosemary, savory, oregano, thyme, lemon verbena, tarragon, lime peel, and nutmeg. Our final recipe for the month is an Egyptian culinary spice kit, which is kosheri. I have actually already made this. Kosheri was originally a meal to use up leftovers. Today, it's a national dish of Egypt and served in dedicated kosheri restaurants in Cairo. The key to its complex flavor is the harmonic combination of all ingredients. So there are 2 packets for this one. The first one has cumin, nutmeg, black pepper, coriander, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, paprika, and chili. The second has black pepper and cumin. So there is that. All right, and here are our packets. All right, so we have, this is for the Cratejoy, and then this is for the Sukuni, the meatballs. And then we have 2 for kosheri. So there's this one and then this one. And then there's a bonus pack here. This is Gomashiyo, which is a Japanese tabletop condiment. It includes toasted sesame seeds, black and white, cherry wood, smoked salt, seed flakes. So that sounds really yummy, and you just use it to kind of to top your dish or whatever. I think I'm going to try this Cratejoy because it sounds like it's going to be good. And everybody in my house will eat it. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in checking that out, I will link to that down below. I will also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.